Yes, it's true. You can make $250,000 working at home for free underneath the Home Sweet Home Act. The reason why I say for free is because you'll be working for yourself with your free time. If you're in the state of Florida or any other states, check Nurse Nikki's Coconut Cakes for more information regarding other states. But if you're in the state of Florida, yes, you can work at home underneath the cottage food law, and you don't need a permit, you don't need a license, you don't need a certificate, and you're not subject to local government regulations. Now, there are more and more people taking advantage of this opportunity. And in order to take advantage of this opportunity, here are a few things you need to know. You cannot do wholesale. However, you can sell directly to consumers online via online sales, mail orders, or at a venue. So what can't you sell under the Home Sweet Home Act? Any treats that have buttercream, butter icing, or cream cheese in it due to their water content and their need to be refrigerated in order to stay fresh. So now let's talk about what you're allowed to sell under the Home Sweet Home Act. Popcorns, vinegars, homemade pastas, fruit pies, honeys, cereal, trail mixes, cakes, cookies, and much more. You guys, there's so many people that are now taking advantage of being able to make money from home. And this is the sweet spot right here. There are a lot of people who love to cook, who love to bake. And if you're looking to start a business, if you're looking not to jump through hoops and get food insurance and get certified to, handle foods and having to rent a shared kitchen, because that is a thing. This is the way to go. Bake from home, use your kitchen, and make money for using it. There are a few things that you want to keep in mind. You do want to make sure that the foods that you're making, the treats that you're making for the public, is not any foods that are TCS foods. TCS foods are foods that require time and temperature control, right? So that's why you can't sell the butter icings and the buttercreams and anything with cream cheese in it, because those things require to be refrigerated. Just think of a cream cheesecake. If you're looking to start a business from home making cream cheesecakes, that's something that you may want to look into, because that's something that you should not be selling from your home underneath the cottage food law. It requires you to refrigerate it. So you want to do a little bit of research, a little bit of homework before you start selling from home. But it's an opportunity for everyone to take advantage of. And it's absolutely crazy to not take advantage of something like this if you have this skill set to do so. So yes, make it $250,000 a year for free, starting off at home on your free time. And let me know how it goes. Drop it in the comment below. Nurse Nikki's Coconut Cakes on YouTube.